Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sennheiser headphones with your iPhone. To do this, first click and hold the power button to power on your headphones and turn them to the pairing mode. It will start blinking like that. Next we have to go to the settings. We have to open the Bluetooth. Now just wait until your headphones appears on the list. Select them. Okay, and as you can see, right now we have to go to the App Store. We have to click on the search pool and we have to type Sennheiser. We have to get this application. Alright, now let's click open. Accept the permissions. Click to open the settings and accept the Bluetooth permission. Click to add the product, select the headphones, and select our Sennheiser HD 250 Bluetooth headphones. Click right here. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.